Yeah, for sure. When we're doing a discovery with a client, mobile is, we talk about that a lot, how we can get people using search on mobile, how we can make sure that the navigation on mobile isn't too clunky and it provides a really seamless, fast experience. So one of the areas we always look for is like expanding the search bar on mobile to drive traffic through there. As we mentioned, conversion rates soar through search, so you really want to be capitalising on that as a retailer. And we can also make other improvements like pushing a full page search results page and just making the whole UX really clean and seamless.
Yeah, and especially on mobile, making it the primary form of navigation within search, you are going to see an improved conversion rate considerably. One of our clients at the moment, I was just chatting to her only yesterday, and within the first 3 months of using Klevu, she's doubled mobile conversion rate, which is absolutely fantastic.
And a great ROI for them.
Yeah.